Good morning. I am starting my day with an iced coffee. How cute is this little glass milk jug that I got off Amazon? I'll have it linked below. And I bought it so that I could make really cute, aesthetically pleasing coffees for my Instagram reels and TikTok. But look at that. Isn't that just so pretty? I've been really consistent this week with my morning routine. So I start by making a coffee and I pop it up here and then I roll out my yoga mat, or it's already rolled out in this case. Sometimes I leave it out all the time so that I can just jump onto it. And I'm going to do some stretching, some yoga, listen to some music, and it's just a nice way to start the day. Yoga is done. I'm actually gonna get in and do my nails this morning because they're about 2 weeks grown out and I actually chipped a couple on my other hand. If I don't fix them, they will break and I don't want them to break. I usually do my nails on the weekend anyway, but this is my little nail kit. Just got a bunch of random things in here, but I just do dip powder and I have a lot of different colors. I think I'm probably just gonna pick a really neutral color today and yeah, I'm gonna do my nails and get that over and done with so that they're nice and fresh. My nails are done. I ended up going for rose gold glitter because it's December, it's the festive season, and I figured it was very fitting, but oh, I love doing my nails. I always feel so much better after they're done. It does take me about 2.5 hours to do, which is a pretty big chunk of my day. In fact, it's basically my whole morning, but I don't mind. I really enjoy it. It's just chill, quiet me time, and I like that, and I do it about every 2 weeks. So it's just something that I like doing. It would be a lot easier to go to the salon, but you know, I really don't mind it. So now that that's done, I'm also ready for the day. I am gonna make another little decaf coffee this time and then make it a hot one. And I'm going to work on a little Christmas DIY that I've been wanting to do. It's actually something I think a lot of you guys will like. You know that I am a mug collector and it's gonna be mug themed. So I'll jump into that in a second, but I'm gonna make my coffee first. Here's all of my stuff. I'm going to be making really cute little DIY mug holiday gifts. So these are my mugs here. I've got all of the different supplies for customizing the mugs and then also some paper for making little gift tags. And this video is sponsored by Cricut. This is my Cricut Maker 3 machine. It is so beautiful. This is a cutting machine and it is a great way to customize and personalize pretty much anything, which is great for making gifts for the holiday season. I've got it connected to my computer and I have the Cricut Design Space open. And the other day I searched for Christmas cards and there's all of these really cool templates and ideas for Christmas cards. So we're gonna be making something off there as a little gift tag to attach to these really cute mugs. So I've got to explain the idea. I found these really adorable mugs from CB2 and I'm gonna jump up and grab the mug that I'm gonna base my design off. Up here in my mug cupboard, I have this one. And this beautiful mug says "Seek Magic Every Day" and it's got a gold foil rim on it. It's a very similar shape to the mugs that I just showed you. But I bought this about 3 years ago. I have so many comments and questions about this mug all the time. And today I thought I would try and create my own version of those mugs as gifts. Here's the mug. I feel like it's the perfect shape. So I got 2 of them because I wanted to do 2 different designs. And I'm gonna have to jump in here and start creating a new project. And this here is the workspace. I'm going to jump straight into text because I want to have some gold foiled text on the front of the mugs. I have some gold foil smart vinyl here. This is the permanent vinyl as well. So once you stick it on, it's going to stay. And when you use smart materials with these machines, you're actually able to do really large projects and large cuts all in one go. So this part just here is the cutting tool. The materials and papers get threaded through this section, and then up here I have all of my little Cricut tools, which make it really easy to grab. Anyway, back to the design space. Let's jump in and start making the text to go on the front of these mugs. Comparing font sizes at the moment to try and get a good idea of how big I should make it. So once you figure out like the centimeters, it's really easy. Up here in the corner of each text piece, there is a part that you can click and slide, and up the top, it tells you how wide it is. So it's currently 8.14 centimeters wide. You can make it really small. So it's super helpful in figuring out how big you want your design. I've resized them to both about 6 centimeters, and then up here in the top right, I click Make It. I'm using smart materials, so I can click without a mat, and then it automatically arranges the text or the images, whatever it is that you're cutting, into a space to try and like optimize as much of the space as possible so that you're not getting too much wastage. So now I get to put in the material. I also have one of these thingies that you can sit down here and run the material through so that it's easy cutting, and then you have a space for the roll to sit as it goes through the machine. Once it's all loaded and it's all ready to go, I press the start button and it will start cutting. When it's done, you just press this button and you can see just there, I've got my happy and morning, and now I can cut them out and get the transfer tape and put them onto the mugs. Okay, we've done the first step and I'm so happy with it. So now I'm gonna do the second half. I've got my next two words in a sans serif font and we're gonna make it. And I need to load in the next vinyl. It. Okay, so I'm basically just removing all of the negative space, and I just moved the O on Monday, which is super annoying. I wonder if I can line it back up. Looks pretty close. All right, let's not try and mess the D up. Come on, there we go. One mug is done. I feel like the word magic should have been smaller, but it's fine. Or maybe even gold as well. But anyway, I did black and gold because I just thought it would be like a nice contrast. So there's one, and just have to do the other one now. There we go. I have Happy Monday and Morning Magic on my mugs. I'm very happy about it. Now I can get in and do the rest of the DIY. I just made one of these hot chocolate bags to sit inside the mug as like part of the gift. I saw a bunch of these on Pinterest, so I've just recreated it, and I'll show you really quickly what I did. I got these little gift bags from Michaels. I filled it up with hot chocolate in the bottom. Next is a little layer of chocolate chips, and then finally a layer of mini marshmallows. scrunched up some tissue paper into the bottom of the mug so that I could sit the little hot chocolate packs on top of it. And now I just need to make little gift tags. In the Cricut design space, I searched gift tag and they have so many gift tag ideas. So I'm just gonna pick one. I want it to have maybe some sections cut out of it and maybe like 2 different colors of cardboard to make the tag. So I'm gonna have a little bit of a look, and then when I pick one, we can get into it. So this is the template that I've chosen. This is for wrapping paper, which I don't need, so I'm going to delete that. I don't want this one. I don't need this one. I think I just want to do these 2, like a tree and then like a snowflake, so I can delete those ones as well. To make these cuts, I've got some different cardboard here. I've got some like glitter and festive colors. And then in order to make the cut, I am going to be using this mat here. So when you use materials that are not the Cricut Smart materials, you need a mat to stick them to. So this is slightly sticky. It will stick the cardboard to it, and then you can put it through the machine. So we're gonna get these gift tags going. The first one that's gonna be cut is the backing of the bauble looking card, and I think I'm gonna go with regular red paper as the backing of that gift tag. Literally took 2 seconds, and we have a bauble shape. There we go. Look at him. He's so cute. Next up is the top of the Christmas tree one. So I'm going to do it in this brown paper. Look at how cute these gift tags are. So this one is like the brown color and a olivey green type glitter, and then this one is gold glitter and red. Which one's your favorite? I think I like this one the most. I have twine to tie them on with. I'm just not sure if I should tie them to the bag with the marshmallows or if I should tie them to the handle of the mug. I love it. I'm so happy with how they turned out. If I were going to change anything, I'd probably change size of the Monday and the Magic, and I would probably also use maybe ribbon instead of twine. I just thought twine was gonna give it a good look, but yeah, let me know which one is your favorite. I thought I would love the tree more because I'm just really into green at the moment, but I actually really love this design. I think it is so pretty. Anyway, that is my Sunday creative project. I'm gonna pack all of this up and then also just do a little bit of a tidy up in here so I can go into the week feeling a little bit organized, and then I'm totally gonna relax because that's what Sundays are for. Snowing outside at the moment, like little flurries, which is why it's so white out there and you can't really see anything. You can't even really see the city. I'm not sure if you can see the little flurries, but the snow is starting to collect over there and I'm so excited about it. Hopefully by this afternoon it'll just be all white out here. And because it's the most cozy Sunday, I think we should plug in the lights on the Christmas tree. Make it really, really festive in here. I had people suggest that I get a power board and I plug the power board in there. I actually think that's a really good idea. I should probably do that because trying to get that small plug in there is really, really difficult. But here's the lights. It's so pretty and so festive. You know what? Let's do the little ones by the TV as well. Just get it real cozy in here. I'm so happy. I love this time of the year. It's the best. The lights and like the glitter and everything is just the best part about this time of the year. My couch, especially this fluffy blanket just here, is looking real inviting. It's saying to me to come and sit and chill out and get all cozy and watch the snow. Dark so early. I've just been sitting here doing some work on my laptop and I got my Christmas tree on and it's so festive, and I've got the movie New Year's Eve on because I'm all about those holiday movies at the moment. It's so cozy. Can you believe that it's 4:30 in the afternoon? It feels like 7 or 8 p.m. I'm getting hungry and I thought I would share with you one of my super lazy, simple, easy meals. basically, I just take either this vegetable soup or I like the tomato soups as well. And I make one serving, which is half a can. So I heat up the soup on the stove top, and while it's heating up, I get out my container of chicken. So once or twice a week, I cook up a bunch of chicken and then I cut it up or I shred it, and then it makes it so easy. I can put it on sandwiches, I can put it in my soup. It just makes my life very easy. And then we have the laziest meal on the face of the planet. It's delicious, it's filling, and I didn't have to really do anything, so that's the best part. It's so cozy in here now that it's actually really dark outside. It's just, I love Christmas. I love this time of the year. It's so good. Now watching a little bit of Dynasty. I haven't watched any for about a week, but that's pretty much my Sunday routine. It's very cozy, very chill, and very crafty.